Hello everyone, this is Happy Plenty. Based on your request, today we are going to talk about repotting topic together. As you know, plants grow with the right combination of soil, water and sunlight. So today let's understand the soil. Indoor plants grow in soil in pots. So let me tell you the reasons why we need to repot our plants. From time to time, plants grow and their pot become tight for them. Second, again from time to time, soil starts to lose its nutrients. So after a while, plants need bigger pots and fresh soil. How will you understand it's time to repot? If you see roots coming throughout the holes, or the roots exposed at the top of the soil, or if the soil dries out quicker than the usual, or if your plants stop growing and giving you extra small leaves. Now you understand when is the time to repot it. Let me show you how to repot. So we need a plant, sure, soil, perlite, a bigger pot with a drainage hole, and some water and gloves. Now you will mix your soil with perlite, which will help your plant not to get overwatered easily. Into our new pot. Now take off your plant off from its current pot and loosen the roots a little and put into the new pot. Now please add some soil mix again and then Eureka! Now repotting is completed. It's time to give some water. I suggest not to give tap water as it is a bit salty. So now you can place your plant to a place which has enough light. And please don't overcare and overwater them.